Hi everybody, it's Mark with Northeast Factory Direct. Wanted to talk to you today about a new line of Caldera hot tubs and how excited we are to now offer their new Spa Salt System. Some people ask why do I want to use a Spa Salt System in my hot tub. There are many benefits to using a Spa Salt System. One of the first one here is that it's going to use less chlorine. There's going to be less chemicals in your hot tub. You see here that these two charged titanium strips will produce natural chlorine by interacting with the salt in the water. And that natural chlorine is not going to have that harsh chlorine smell. You're not adding chlorine into your hot tub like you would in a non-salt system. Also, people kind of are afraid of salt water. They think they're going to like swimming in the ocean, which is 35,000 parts per million of salt. When you're in a hot tub, the hot tub is only 1,700 parts per million. So when you get out of your Spa Salt System in your hot tub, you're not going to have that salty feeling. You're not going to feel like you want to go take a shower immediately afterward. So using a lot less chemicals in here. What's another benefit of that is you only have to change your spa water one time per year. So it's less chemicals and you're conserving water based on only having to change it out one time a year. So come check out the Spa Salt System at any of our locations or any of the other hot tubs we have to offer you.